I am in unit 220 in 408 West St. Clair, also known as the Grand Arcade Condominiums. We are in the warehouse district in downtown Cleveland. This is freshly redone and it is amazing. We've got this kitchen along the brick wall, the gray cabinets, blue island, as you'll see, probably better from the other angle, but absolutely huge island. This is amazing entertaining space. Great light fixtures, lots of attention to detail here. Nice big single bowl sink. Got the pantry area here. Beautiful refrigerator, fits right in, doesn't stick out. Get the open shelving, but beyond that, there's plenty of other space. Lots of drawers. Got the microwave down here, the wine fridge. This gives you a better idea of the color of the island. But this is just beautiful space. Hardwood floors, distressed. They are newer floors though, but they are distressed to give it that warehouse look. We got this big chandelier here, exposed brick. And you can see the beautiful architecture of the warehouse district. So right across the street, we're not looking that way, but Sherwin Williams is building their headquarters. That building up there, that's condominiums. We've got apartments, condominiums all over the place down here. Walkable. Brown Stadium is right down the street. We got Public Square. We've got the Guardians Stadium, the Rocket Mortgage Fieldhouse where the Cavs play. Playhouse Square. 3 full baths. Laundry. And we've got a barn door to cover the laundry area. Again, these great light fixtures throughout the unit. So we've got this glass wall covering up the second bedroom. So full bath number 2. It's a good size second bedroom. Has a window. Really nice glass panels. And there's a very large closet here. Very deep. Let's head back to the owner's suite. And this is another wow factor area for this condo. So just the small touches, you look at the hooks out of the black pipe. All this is some original stuff for the building, and what this owners have done is just enhanced the original parts of the building. So we've got the marble sinks, we've got the penny tile, really cool fixtures, and this amazing shower. So it's circular, no need for a door. Give you a better idea of this flooring, the sinks, got the exposure down here. Really, really cool. Great location. Walkable to restaurants. There's Key Bank. That's all I got.